Hey guys, it's Miss Duke again, and as promised, I told you that we were going to learn the continents and oceans, but we're specifically going to start talking about the continent of Europe today. So, on yesterday's lesson, you guys learned to locate Asia, Antarctica, Africa, Australia, North America, South America, Europe, to Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean. Now, today, we're going to zoom in just on the continent of Europe. So, today, you're going to focus on locating 7 countries that are located just on the continent of Europe. The first country you guys are going to locate is Spain. Spain is located right here in Europe. Right next to Spain is France. Girls, France is the fashion capital of the world. Right across the English Channel from France is the United Kingdom. We're going to locate the United Kingdom. It is the only island that you have to locate in Europe. Now, this next country we refer to as our boot-shaped country, Italy. Italy is our boot-shaped country. It looks like here's the toe, here's the arch, here's the heel. Italy is called our boot-shaped country that sticks out into the Mediterranean Sea, and it's kicking Sicily right down here. The next country you guys are going to learn to locate today is Germany. Germany is known for history. Lots of wars have taken place in Germany. Lots of people have blamed Germany for many of the wars. This is where Hitler was from. Then we're going to skip on over here to Ukraine. We're going to talk, when we talk about environmental issues, the worst nuclear disaster in history occurred in Chernobyl, Ukraine. And we're going to talk about that this year. Then right next door to Ukraine is the largest country in the world. It is so large, it's located on 2 continents, Europe and Asia. That country is Russia. Russia is the largest country in the world. Now, guys, today you're going to be given a map. And again, you're going to have to locate Spain, United Kingdom, France, Italy, Germany, Ukraine, and Russia. You're going to have to locate those 7 countries today. Do your very, very best to locate them very neatly. And we will study these as we will have a quiz over these 7 countries. Guys, listen, I'll be back with you soon. Do your part. Be respectful, be responsible, be reliable. We are the rebels. Have a great day.